LineageOS versus GrapheneOS, which custom ROM is best? Choosing between LineageOS and GrapheneOS is a comparison that matters deeply to anyone serious about mobile privacy and security, and it is one of the most frequently debated topics in the custom Android community. Both are custom Android-based operating systems that give users more control over their devices than stock Android provides, but they prioritize different aspects of that control. LineageOS focuses on delivering a clean, customizable, and widely compatible Android experience across a broad range of devices, while GrapheneOS focuses on delivering the most hardened and security-focused Android environment currently available. This comparison breaks down how each ROM performs so you can decide which one is best for your needs. LineageOS is a free and open-source Android distribution that supports an extensive list of devices, making it the most widely compatible custom ROM available. It removes Google's proprietary software by default and gives users a clean and familiar Android experience that they can customize extensively, with a strong developer community contributing updates and support across hundreds of supported devices. LineageOS is a practical choice for users who want to breathe new life into older hardware, gain more control over their software environment, and reduce their Google footprint without the strict hardware limitations of more security-focused alternatives. LineageOS is best suited for users who want a clean, customizable, and broadly compatible Google-reduced Android experience across a wide range of supported devices. GrapheneOS is a privacy and security-focused Android distribution built exclusively for Google Pixel devices, chosen for their hardware security features that GrapheneOS leverages to deliver an exceptionally hardened mobile environment. It goes far beyond simply removing Google services, implementing advanced security hardening at the system level, including a hard memory allocator, improved sandboxing, network and sensor permission controls, and verified boot with strong integrity guarantees. GrapheneOS includes its own sandboxed Google Play compatibility layer, allowing users to run Google Play apps in an isolated environment without compromising the system's security posture. It is the gold standard for mobile security and privacy among security researchers, journalists, and high-risk users. GrapheneOS is best suited for security-conscious users, journalists, activists, and anyone who needs the most hardened and privacy-respecting mobile environment currently available on consumer hardware. Feature comparison: LineageOS and GrapheneOS serve different priorities within the custom ROM space. LineageOS is the better choice for users who want broad device compatibility, a customizable Google-reduced Android experience, and community-driven support across a wide range of hardware. GrapheneOS is the better choice for users who need the highest level of mobile security and privacy hardening and are willing to use a Google Pixel device to access those capabilities. The best ROM depends on whether you prioritize compatibility and customization or maximum security and privacy hardening. Final thoughts. If you want to run a clean, customizable, and Google-reduced Android experience on a wide range of devices, including older hardware that manufacturers no longer support, LineageOS is an excellent and widely supported choice. If you need the most secure and privacy-hardened mobile operating system available, and are using or willing to use a Google Pixel device, GrapheneOS is the clear choice and represents the current gold standard for mobile security on consumer hardware. The best custom ROM is the one that matches both your hardware situation and how seriously you need to take your mobile security.